There are 4 common types of water treatment equipment currently. The first one is pre-filter. It's the coarse filtration device for domestic water. It mainly removes the sand and other large particles produced by pipeline, and effectively protect pipes, faucets, electrical appliances, and so on. The second is the water purifier. It uses activated carbon as the main filter material, which can absorb residual chlorine, heavy metals, and harmful stuff in tap water. The third is water softener. It mainly uses ion exchange technology to absorb excess calcium and magnesium ion in the water. Soft water has the better taste and feel than tap water. It can also protect the water heater and is beneficial for skin health and laundry cleaning. The last one is roll machine through the reverse osmosis filtration method, using physical principle to filter and process. No need to add any compounds. It produces pure water that can be directly drunk and effectively remove various pollutants in the water.